Hey, it's Joe from OK Keto. What incredible times we're living in. I've been thinking of ways that I can support you as we move through life together in these uncertain days. Recently, I've been to the supermarket and there's been very little in the way of tomato passata, tomato pasta sauce, or tinned tomatoes available. So I thought, well, let's make our own. All you're going to need for this, a kilo of tomatoes, half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh basil.